Right now, I'm standing on the Kukirin G2 Master. This was the first scooter that I swore I'm never gonna ride again. Back in 2024, a friend of mine got himself one of these beasts. I told him that this is a literal death trap and no one should ride it. After 3 months, I got myself the 2024 version of the Master. This marked my addiction for e-scooters and the beginning of this whole entire YouTube channel. So I don't want to waste your time with any more emotional yapping about how I started this YouTube channel and how the G2 Master is my favorite scooter and how much I'm glazing it. Let's get right into the unboxing. Smells exactly like nothing because I can't smell nothing through this helmet. Anyways, we've got a manual with improved saturation from Kukirin. It can be quite useful on the G2 Master because you can find all the P settings into it. Was useful. The charger.
That is the charger.
Is the size of my whole entire hand.
There isn't anything like this from Kukirin.
Let's see.
What?
This is the biggest charger that I have ever seen on a e-scooter.
You have to say it. This is more premium.
This is 10 times more premium.
Look at it.
Yeah, just flex it. I want to see it next to the DT2 Pro charger because they can be called competitors also. Many people have asked which one is better. There is no reason to compare this. It's twice the size of the DT2 Pro charger. What is this?
That is so cool.
Man, you got everything you need. No words. Let's continue. 3, 2, 1, go. Time to unveil the bribe. Another crystallized salt package. That's it. It's time for the handlebar. And we get to use the amazing Kukirin toolkit. Wow! Which one is it? Yep. Handlebar on.
I think you are gonna need my help.
I've got a G2 Master, I had a G2 Master, I still have a G2 Master, I'm an expert in G2 Masters, I can mount my own scooter.
Let's see.
Yeah? Okay. You don't need to be aggressive. Look, the fitment is perfect. What are you complaining about?
What? That is so perfect.
I told ya. I think this is how it should fit. Literally, this is the third e-scooter that I assemble on this channel. Which way you're supposed to descrew a screw? Left or right? Left. Right? Kukirin. Lovely.
And also, it has protection.
Yeah, my old 2024 G2 Master didn't even have keys.
Muy bien.
Keys in the pocket. And
E-scooter here.
no, that's what I was talking about. I didn't have the e-scooter. I think even the display is better. It looks a lot more clean. It gives me the feeling of an OLED, but it's 100% not an OLED. Those back and front signals are the best that I have ever seen on an e-scooter. Let me actually make it dark in the room. Did the G2 Master just shut off?
Yes.
If the police is going to stop you with this and say you cannot be seen by other drivers, they're straight up capping. It's the next day. We got both of the Masters right here. We also have cute little white helmet with his Coswheel R19 thing. He's the cameraman right now. Before we ride this, there is a trick that Joe on Wheels showed me in Bucharest.
Making it taller, but you need to get these wires out as well.
No, you don't. You just press the button thing and they're exactly the same size. Have you seen the display, bro?
Yeah, it's insane. Let me try. The old one is way better.
You ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. How many kilos you have?
75.
And I have 73. Should be the same thing. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh yeah.
Bro, it doesn't even
It has a lot more kick. The mission of today is to take the Master and test it on every single type of terrain because I want to see if the 2026 Master is worth the money. Go man, go, go, throttle it. Yeah! A new Master is a new Master. It's so nimble and everything feels so fresh on it. Woo! He's flying. Okay, everyone is flying. The acceleration on the Master is not the same. It's much more manageable. The guy with a normal scooter. That's rarer than seeing someone with an electric scooter these days. Come on, this is full acceleration. 58. Ah, another speed bump. We need a proper big road to test this beast. Down there, right? Yeah? This is maximum brake I can do with one finger. It's not enough. It needs to be much stronger than that. Wow! He's going full throttle. I can't even catch up to him. The old Master is so much faster. Damn! I'm going 67 kilometers per hour. 68, 70 kilometers per hour on the Master. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, yeah, you definitely need better brakes on this. Wow, that was a big bump. I think I never got 71 on my old Master. Only on a big downhill, but this was a flat road. Wait, where are you going?
You said we go to the stadium.
We're going outside the city to the hills. How much you got on it? 70? Yeah. Maybe on acceleration it's not that fast, but on top speed, it surely matches the old Master speeds.
You really like up them tires?
No, I like drifting them. Let's hear it. Yep, 10 watts. Come on, Master! Why is it so slow when accelerating? I don't understand. Come on! Can we catch up to your little black helmet? Oh no, I'm getting hit by both of them.
Enemy spotted.
Whoa! He got stopped by the police. Whoa! Whoa! Straight in front of me. Whoa! This is what you get for overtaking a scooter. Oh, I'm so sorry for him. That's gonna be a heavy fine. Not gonna lie, also for a second I thought I got stopped too. My heart kinda dropped. I want to be like this, man. Get a little tan, look sexy for the beach. Okay, Opel. What was that supposed to do? I gave him priority to back up and he didn't back up anymore. He just returned to his spot. I don't even understand it. What is this? The whole asphalt is collapsed. Even the speed bumper came under the road level. What? How am I supposed to ride on the edge of the street if there is no edge to the street? It's literally a pump track. What the hell is this? And officially we're not in the city anymore. We're crossing the Great Jiu River. Very, very clean waters where billionaires park their yachts. Man, there is no need to be that aggressive. You can't even... Look at how close he was going next to us. He's endangering everyone. Ooh, nice BMW. You saw how close that guy was to you when he overtook you? How is the Master doing? We've got 53 volts. Still hanging on tight. Your little black helmet really likes my Master. He's going full speed non-stop. You gotta enjoy country roads. Because there are no cars. There is no police, almost no pedestrians. It's just nature, asphalt, and e-scooters. We're also on a really big uphill, but the Master with dual motors has absolutely no problems with it.
Come here.
What?
Come, touch my motor.
It's bad. You can't touch it for more than 3 seconds.
Yep.
You wanna try my G2 Master? Get back on my old little toy? Curly girly. You are the master of displays. Why does this display look better than this display?
It's sharper, but I think this one's brighter.
That's a hard-working man. Oh. And you wonder why we don't have streets in Romania.
Yeah, he doesn't give up.
Yep, he just plowed straight into the street. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh yeah, oh yeah. There is a big difference on how the street tires feel than the stock off-road tires. It's much more stable on the road. I highly recommend you swap the tires if you plan on going with the Master on street roads. And also for the 10th time, get hydraulic brakes on it. It's a must. Look at how nice the view is.
Yeah.
Amazing.
You have a G2 Master, but you're never gonna be the Suron.
He's just LARPing. What do you think about it, bro?
I got 76.
You could pull out the drone.
How much you got on it?
No, 67.
Okay. Can I swap the Master back?
Yes, here.
You gotta be careful. This is not an off-road Master.
If I fail, I fail.
The acceleration does not compare. It's much more lighter than the old Master. And we reached off-road. This is where the Master shines at. Holy, how many bumps. It's why you get a G2 Master in the first place and not a G4. Something that would really help right now, it would be to have adjusted the suspensions, because this feels absolutely horrendous. Oh, we're going straight into the street. Oh my god. What the f***? No, I'm doing a whole workout. My hands hurt. Can't even hold the handlebar anymore. Go slower! I can't handle this anymore. We need a brake. My fingers are gonna fall out of my hand. It's way too bumpy.
No, it's light work.
This versus this.
I don't see such a big difference.
I think it's the hottest day that I have ever rode in.
Oh yeah, let's go in the middle of a field with how much it is? Oh yeah, 34 degrees. My phone is overheating and I'm not even using it.
Touch the camera.
Holy shit.
Yep. This is another level of hell. I feel like I'm in Sahara. Everything is so yellowish. How do you feel riding in 35 degrees?
Very good.
Heat?
Sheep.
Sheep?
Sheep.
Ah, sheep! Oh, a lot of sheep. It's a sheep crossing, plus a sheepman. Oh my god. Sounds like a traffic jam. I wanted to point out something on my old Master. Look, right here, my plastic is starting to crack open.
Average.
It's so much better when you're riding. You feel the air in the helmet and everything. What you doing? How?
Because this is a bicycle.
And how are you going to do it?
Ah no, I can't ride it.
A little deja vu. Whew. When riding with speed, the sweat reacts with the air and makes it feel like you have AC inside the helmet. Can you do it? It doesn't want to go more than that. No, that's not a good idea. Aren't you just gonna ride it without a chain?
Yeah, I will.
99.
It goes even faster, but the display won't register it.
How does it look from up there?
Very beautiful.
We're back moving. The G2 Master got so dirty. Look at it, bro.
Yeah, I see it.
And cute little white helmet cut me with the drone. Whoop. No problem. You wanna go into Profi?
I don't want.
You want something to drink?
Yes, we split in here.
Why, you're going home?
Yes.
Why? And he's gone. It's just us two right now, bro. Gotta disinfect the wood.
You're gonna sleep off.
So hot that even the camera app doesn't work. We gotta be fast on this. You ready? Dual third gear. Go. We're back on the road. We gotta get this thing to a car wash because that water over it didn't help at all. It just made mud. We still have 48 volts left on the e-scooter. And right now I'm full throttle and only gaining 62 kilometers per hour. Go, 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 go. Yeah, bro. Yeah, overtake me with 5 centimeters of space. That's the way to go. Great job, Seat Ibiza. How the hell is this so fast? Keep going. Completely legal, bro.
Yeah.
How many volts do you have?
51.
Yeah, I have 50. Damn, same thing. It feels so humid. If it's humid and let's say 25 degrees, it's worse than being 40 degrees outside. So chill riding on a bike lane with all the nature right next to you. You hear the little birds, the trees, the grass. It's amazing. No acceleration, acceleration, no acceleration, acceleration. So cool. I thought I lost you, little black helmet, but no, he's acting like Nadia Comaneci.
You saw that? Almost died.
You almost died? No
I
way.
hit it wobbles. I was doing the Nadia Comaneci thing,
Yeah?
and then a buzz hit me right here.
Oh,
Wait. Hit me right here, and I wanted to put... No problem, bro. We didn't fall. I wanted to put...
yeah, true. Think about the fact you had whole entire motorcycle steering damper and you still had that wobbles. Without it, you would have been in the bushes right now. The way we're smelling right now, after riding in 40 degrees, man, I don't want to get near anybody.
Smelling like perfume.
No way you smell like perfume. Drop the cap. Pigeons? What?
That's...
How cute. Oh, they flexing on us.
Hello.
Hello. Whoa, 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 whoa. Double battery G4?
Yes. Dual range. 60 volts, 40 amps.
You did that yourself?
Homemade.
And what is the range on those things?
80 kilometers on race.
Oh.
And I got on it 87 kilometers an hour.
How?
God.
Never ride faster than your guardian angel can fly.
I broke my arm 2 months ago.
And did it heal?
It's okay. 23.6.
2026.
What's new?
You have this. I heard that also the 2025 had it. Screws are covered, 3D printed deck and key.
I know this one.
Yep, this is the legendary modified one.
Yes, yes. Where is the sword?
The sword is lost somewhere in Bucharest.
I like your shoes.
Look at this.
A little bit of off-roading.
We're gonna do an uphill test. I don't know if you can see on camera, but this is incredibly steep. Cute little black helmet is gonna be the cameraman, and I'm just gonna get the G2 Master. 3, 2, 1, go. Come on. A bit. It needs a bit of assistance.
Come on!
It's not doing it. We're going backwards. It cut it off the motor. It might lack a bit of power because it only has 49 volts, but even with full battery, I don't know if the Master can do it alone. And now, you guys told me you want to race the G2 Master.
Yes.
Should I go on the scooter when I go down?
I think you should not risk it.
Risk it for the biscuit. It's not easy. Remember when you said that water on the deck is gonna make it slippery?
Nah, and you told me it's not gonna do it.
It did. We're heading right now to the big concrete arena because I want to do a race with his G4. I'm really curious which one is going to be better because he has almost the same level of battery as me. So it's gonna be a pretty fair comparison.
How much do you weigh?
73 kilograms. How much do you weigh?
72.
Perfect race. Ready, bro?
Ready.
3, 2, 1, go. Come on. Initial acceleration. I'm faster, 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 and faster. Can't believe this. I won. Wanna swap? Maybe that 1 kilogram difference? Maybe. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh yeah, the G4 is much slower. Much slower. Nah. This is a death trap. I feel the steering going left and right, left and right.
I don't know.
I think we're gonna head to a car wash. 46 volts when accelerating. Still doing pretty good, even after that big off-road uphill. And he just overtook me with the G4. Oh, squeezed right to it. We're going in front or in front? I think in front.
You know.
You're right, in front.
What are you doing?
I haven't heard a thing of what he was saying. What is this formation? This is my maximum. And what is this scooter? It's another Kukirin, it's the C1 Pro. 44 volts. Hey, he was vibing. And stop. You can't even spell ES here. ES.
I forgot about it.
You have my signature. Matchy.
I think we are faster than the Kukirin.
And then the train?
Yes.
Yes, 100%. Bro, this is full throttle. 43 volts remaining. 42 volts. Hey, at least we're not accelerating. We're back on 45 volts. Right.
And you have to insert it here.
Tokens in pocket. We just have to find a parking spot for my scooter. Occupied. Not occupied. They're ready. Inserted. Spumare. Oh, my hands. You think the G2 Master is gonna explode in my house after this?
Yeah.
Kukirin, I hope you make this G2 Master very waterproof.
Because if you didn't, you have to send another one.
I don't think just another e-scooter, I think another home. It's so powerful. Yep. Moment of truth, let's see if the G2 Master is waterproof. And it turns on, let's see if it accelerates. What? It doesn't accelerate. Error 005. I think I don't have enough battery. The error disappeared. Let's see. It still works. In conclusion of this video, should you buy a brand new 2026 Kukirin G2 Master? Yes, you should buy. The only bad thing that I gotta say about this model, I don't know what they did to the motors, but they are much slower on acceleration than the old Master. But on top speed, it's the same thing. If Kukirin keeps on being more and more premium, it's gonna be the best e-scooter brand in the world.